Hello, welcome back again to this training video. This is for teachers, educators across the globe. So in this video, I want to show you how to build a virtual school system, a classroom system using WhatsApp. WhatsApp is very handy for everyone, irrespective of where you're operating from. So all you need to do is, let's go to WhatsApp now. Click on WhatsApp. So once you click on WhatsApp, you can see this charts of this community. Click on community. Click on community. Now once you click on community, you're going to find this place up here where I have new community. Let's click on it. Now click on get started. Just name the name of your community. Let me just assume this is the name of a school, Ebenezer College. You can put any name. Oh God. So you now click on this. Okay, you can now change the description by saying something like can change the description, put the description. Welcome to Ebenezer College. Now click on this. Yes, Ebenezer College. Now, having done that, you are now going to click create classes. Now what you do, click where you have add group, click on it and create classes. What you call group is what you are going to call classes now. Create new group. This is just one. Yes, can put description. This is just one class. Whatever you call your own, just let it be. Disappearing messages off. Group visibility is visible. Group permissions. You can do the group permission whether you want whatever. Now, having created this, now already, in a school system, the numbers of children that should be in JS1. So already, those people are already on WhatsApp. If you click on add now, you add all the children that should be on JS1. But once you are done, click on group permission. That is where you're going to have look at it. Members can edit group settings. I say no. You don't want members to do that. Send new messages. That means they can interact in the group. That's correct. Can they add other members? No. Because you want a situation whereby you are the one that will admit students. Now, admin can approve new members. So once people join, you need to approve before they can access. I say yes. These are very, very important. So once you are done, you click on, you have created JS1. You understand? JS1 class has been created. So if we go back again to that our whatever Ebenezer College, we can add another group, that's JS2. You now add JS2. You understand? You do the same thing. Look at the group admin. You remove this. They can send new message. They cannot add. You approve this. You go back. Then you can add the numbers of children here. JS2 class have been created. You understand? Let's now go back. So you can see you already have JS2, JS1, and so you run out all the classes. Now, if you're a teacher and you have an online class, this is not online school now. It could be an online class for your students, maybe JS1 students. Then what you are calling JS1, JS2 can be your subjects. Okay, English class, maths class, economics class, and all that. You understand? So with this, you have got a whole online class. And what that is good about WhatsApp is that, with WhatsApp, a lot of people are always on WhatsApp. It's one of the tools that are so handy. So many people who don't easily visit Facebook or this other side, they are always on WhatsApp. That is because of the have cheap, the fees and all that. So this is a cool one. every school can run. Parents can easily, be with your school when it comes to having a virtual classroom on WhatsApp. So I'm going to encourage you to try this. And if you still want something deeper than this, you can contact us so that we'll have a well-tailored training for you and your school. That's what we'll do. If you're watching this video for the first time and you're visiting our channel on YouTube, please subscribe. We have a lot of teachers resources here. If this is on Facebook, please follow us and make sure you follow up what we do here. More than 2 times every week, we post teacher resources like this. A lot of things that benefit teachers. So wherever you are communicating from all over the world, follow us and be in tune with what we do. Please share this video and don't forget to like it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.